simplify this algebraic fraction we have here, the first thing I'm going to do is to expand this bracket. Okay, that will make it easy for us to simplify. Welcome to Math Easy. So if we do that, we have 5 over a square minus 7 all over. So if we do that, a times a would give a square. A times minus 1 would give minus a. Okay, now that we have this, the next step is to find the least common multiple of these denominators. Okay, so since there are different denominators, what we are going to do is to simply multiply the two terms. So the common denominator now will become a square multiplying a square minus a, right? Then for this to simplify further, we are simply going to use this numerator here to multiply the denominator here, the butterfly method of simplifying fraction. So if we do that, 5 will be multiplying a square minus a. So it's going to give us 5 into a square minus a. Then over here, this 7 will be multiplying a square. So we have 7 into a square, right? So since we have brackets both at the numerator and the denominator, we are going to expand, we are going to open the brackets. Okay, so here we have 5 times a square will give us 5a square. 5 times minus a will give minus 5a, minus 7 times a square will give us minus 7a square, all over a square times a square would give us a raised to the power of 4. Do you know how I got that? If we're also applying the laws of indices, you know that a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 2, because they are same base, we add the power, it becomes a raised to the power of 2 plus 2, and this gives us a raised to the power of 4. And that's how we have a raised to the power of 4 here. If we do same here, a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 1, we are adding 2 plus 1, and that will give us a raised to the power of 3. So we have minus a raised to the power of 3. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, I sincerely appreciate you. And that shows you are enjoying the lesson. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post any video, you would be the first to see it. Now, let's group the like terms together at the numerator. We have 5a square and 7a square. So 5a square minus 7a square would give minus 2a square minus 5a, all over a raised to the power of 4 minus a raised to the power of 3. And if you notice, both at the numerator and the denominator, we have common terms, right? So let's factor the common terms out. Here, the common term is a, so we're going to factor it out. We have a outside the bracket. Then minus 2a squared divided by a, we have minus 2a left. And then minus 5a divided by a, we have minus 5 left, all over. Then here, the common term between a raised to the power of 4 and a raised to the power of 3 is a raised to the power of 3. So a raised to the power of 4 divided by a raised to the power of 3, we will be left with a. Alright, see how it is done. For instance, we have a raised to the power of 4 divided by a raised to the power of 3. Applying the laws of indices, this division changes to the subtraction of the power since they have same base. So we have a raised to the power of 4 minus 3, and this gives us a raised to the power of 1. And a raised to the power of 1 is same as a, and that's why we have a here. And over here, a raised to the power of 3 divided by a raised to the power of 3 will give us 1, right? So we can cancel out these common terms. So this a, we cancel out one of the a's here, and we'll now be left with a raised to the power of 2, right? So at the numerator now, we then have minus 2a minus 5 all over a raised to the power of 2 into a minus 1 as the answer. And we have our second example here. We have to simplify this expression. Okay, same thing, we are going to expand the bracket, that is opening the bracket. Remember that x can also be written as x over 1 minus. Now, this numerator is going to multiply this expression in the bracket. So 1 times 3 would give 3. 1 times minus x would give minus x all over 2 plus, we use this 3 to multiply the terms in the bracket. So 3 times 3 would give 9. 3 times plus x would give plus 3x. Close the bracket, all over 4. What I'm going to do here is to find the LCM of these denominators. The LCM of 1, 2, and 4 is 4. Okay, so LCM of 1, 2, and 4 equals 4. So I'm going to use this common denominator now to simplify this fraction. Now we have a common denominator 4, right? So 4 divided by 1 would give me 4, right? Then 4 times x, I'll have 4x. Minus 4 divided by 2, I'll have 2. So I'll be using these 2 to multiply the terms in this bracket. Then over here is plus. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 1 times 9 plus 3x, I'll have 9 plus 3x. Our expression will now give us 4x minus 2 times 3 will give 6. Minus 2 times minus x will give plus 2x plus 9 plus 3x all over 4. Okay, so let's group the terms, the like terms at the numerator. We have 4x, so we have 4x plus 2x plus 3x minus 6 plus 9 all over 4. 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x plus 3x, we have 9x. Minus 6 plus 9 would give plus 3 all over 4. We can choose to leave our answer in this form, or we factorize by bringing out the common terms at the numerator. The common term between 9x plus 3 is 3, so we factor it out to give us 3 into 9x divided by 3, we have 3x. 3 divided by 3 will give us plus 1 all over 4 as the answer. Hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and follow for more.